This is the grill that started it all for Yoder. This is the Yoder Smokers Loaded Wichita Offset Smoker. Serial number 10001. This is the first one. We've had this guy for almost 20 years now. We've got a lot of hours on it, and we love this cooker. But what if they can refine it? This is cool. I've never had an offset that I can move with one hand. Hi, I'm Jerry with atbbq.com, and this is the new Loaded Wichita from Yoder Smokers. If you go back in the history of Yoder Smokers, you'll quickly find out that they began with traditional offset smokers. This was the grill that started it all. So they understand building a fire in a firebox, managing the fire, low and slow cooking. They understand all that. So they decided, what if we could update and refine the process? The first thing you'll notice is improved mobility. This updated stand is more stable, and the front casters make it easier to move. Whether you're adjusting for wind or setting up your space in a different way, that mobility matters during a long cook. A really great addition is this removable front shelf. It's a sturdy workspace when you need it, but out of the way when you don't. The firebox on the Loaded Wichita is one of the largest in its class. We've got enough room for wider splits of wood, but you can also bank your fire to the back or to the side to give you more control over your airflow and your heat. The firebox also has the ability to add a propane log lighter. On top of the firebox is a pot warmer. This allows you to keep your sauces warm, but you can also use it to preheat your splits of wood. In keeping with the new Yoder Smokers production standards, the Loaded Wichita now comes with stainless steel grates, both as a fire grate and as the cooking grates. Which is one of our favorite parts of the Loaded Wichita. We can cook directly over the fire in the firebox. And as the heat and airflow move into the cooking chamber, you have the legendary Yoder Smokers heat management system, which keeps your temperatures even all the way across the cooking chamber. And another great feature of the Loaded Wichita is that the heat management system can come out and you can put in additional fire grates, which allows you to cook hot and fast over the entire cooking chamber with charcoal. And Yoder's use of 304 stainless continues all the way across the cooking chamber with these sectional grates, as well as the new two-piece stainless grate system that comes standard in the YS640 and YS480 now. This allows you to easily remove the front section so you can reach the back corners of the grill. And even the chimney has been improved. It's now longer to improve draw and airflow throughout the cooking chamber. So what we love about this new Loaded Wichita is that while a lot of grills are designed to sit in one space, this one's designed to move around and make things a lot easier for you as a backyard cook. You can check out the new Loaded Wichita as well as everything else at atbbq.com. See you next time.